Welcome back. Our parade of cat sea life continues. Look who is shining on our way, the Furtles. These cat sea turtles have tails and furry little heads, or sometimes no fur at all. Some of them even glow like a nightlight. The glow fur is perfect for lighting up the darkest corners of the ocean, although it is very rare to catch them glowing. And over here, we have the Catfish Clown. With a splash of color and a playful spirit, the Catfish Clown loves to hide in anemones, only to pop out and surprise everyone. It's the Joker of the deep sea. But don't let your guard down just yet, because here comes the cat shark. The cat shark is the top predator around here, with claws and teeth sharp enough to catch even the fastest fish. But deep down, it's just a big kitty who loves to chase and play. Want to see something truly extraordinary? Part 3 is just around the corner. And trust me, you won't want to miss the enchanting cat mermaids and other unbelievable creatures waiting for you.